trying to fucking eat. EBT, man, I like it in the street. Yeah. You know, the weed trying to get it, coming up with nothing, man, and I probably already had it. That's the girls on my phone. I don't know. We gonna hit the studio up. All right, B. I can write this.
My nigga on deck. Happy birthday, my nigga. 22. He on deck. He on deck. I have to go to the club. This nigga icy as hell. Talk to God, man. Man, tell these niggas what you working with, man. We fooling on these niggas, man. It's your birthday. Fuck these niggas, man. We gotta stunt sometime, man. You know?
Nothing racks.
Oh, man, racks on top of racks. You know, small bills, bro. This nigga flipping through colors, man. This nigga got Fruit Loop money, man. That's what we call that shit. We call that shit fucking Fruit Loop money, man.
I'm not giving it to other hoes.
No, we don't give it to hoes, man. This hoe said, what she say earlier, man? Explain the story. Want me to explain the story about the Kush hoes and the Mexicans from earlier and shit? Or you gonna explain the story, bro? It's on camera. Man, here, put me on camera, man. We gotta take this bitch off the charge, man. Put me on camera, man. Live with direct Dante Hustle. It's my motherfucking nigga birthday and shit. We the motherfucking shit. I'm been drinking and shit. Man, real talk, bro. We was at the gas station earlier, bro. Me and my nigga and shit. We was pumping gas and shit. You know, we went in that bitch real quick. My nigga had to spray some cologne on. You know how we do. We go in the hood and shit. We stop by. You know, shout out to all the gas stations that sell Lucy. You know, we get full pack of squares and shit. But, you know, like a cigarette commercial and shit. But look. Yeah, we in the gas station and shit. Come down some girls here and shit. I'm telling them all my past. Pulled out the biggest nugget out there. We showing her love. We like, damn, you on deck and shit. You know, shit, for sure. Shit, we'll give you that bitch for 50. You know, I'm like, that's a whole quarter. She don't even know. You know, we talking about some real good shit. She done pulled out the nugget. I'm like, give me $50. You know, a quarter of some strong shit. You already know. You know, like, what the fuck? And that's trick. You know, that's what I call. You know, I don't do deals like that. But you know, she looked at my nigga and shit. Look, she looked at this nigga. She looked at me, and she said, what if I need some pussy? He's like, pussy? She like, how much can I get for some pussy? We looked at the dude. We looked at the motherfucking Mason joint. We looked at the motherfucking and closed it up. Look, I looked at him.
Hell no, man. Throw me the 5, girl.
And he looked at me. And I say, cuz, is you ready, cuz? I say, but, yeah, I said, you got a couple dollars, so you get a bag, so you know.
$5 at least.
These hoes is crazy.
That's a shout out to Bogarts, because they went and said they were working up there at Bogarts, so they're up in Michigan and Inkster and shit, yo.
Shout out to Bogarts. We see how y'all get out. And they from Flint, so shout out to Flint.
Yep, 810 number.
810 number. We got their number on deck. It was like, hit us up sometime. We gonna call you. I'm like, all right, for sure, we do this.
Yeah.
And I'm like, damn. She really said she was offering pussy for weed. I only trade my weed for money, man. They talking about, man.